Unofficially, the first BMW M car, the BMW 530 MLE Restoration, is going to take place in South Africa. The BMW 530 Motorsport Limited Edition, MLE, rolled up to the starting line in the modified production series in 1976. 15 wins from 15 consecutive starts followed, and BMW stamped its authority on the racing series with 3 championship titles in 3 years. The BMW 530 MLE was the most successful racing BMW 5 Series in history when it was retired in 1985. To qualify for entry, however, BMW South Africa had to sell 100 road-going versions of this first-generation BMW 5 Series, known as the 530 MLE, to the public. Developed by BMW Motorsport as a limited edition model for South Africa. 110 units of the Type 1 were produced in 1976, while 117 versions of the Type 2 rolled off the production line at BMW Group plant in 1977. The 6-cylinder engine was a factory-tweaked version of the same motor found in the 3.0-liter, boasting figures such as 147 kilowatts, 277 newton meters, a 208 kilometers per hour top speed, and a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint time of 9.3 seconds. It proved to be an early step of BMW's ventures into track-oriented cars for the road, paving the way for the future M cars.
I worked in BMW assembly plant about 45 years.
I was in the body shop from 73.
I was doing panel beating, spray painting. I worked on 5 Series.
5 Series. I built in that car.
530 was a good car. It was on the races.
I never thought I can still see this kind of cars again.
I'm feeling very proud.
It brings a lot of memories. It's amazing. It's amazing.